Alright, what is going on, guys? Ben here. Now it is super early in the morning, so I have to be very quiet. My roommate's still sleeping, but right now I'm very excited because we're about to go on an awesome ski trip with a bunch of friends. I thought this would be a great opportunity to check out this guy, the Insta 360 1X. So why don't you say we go unbox this new camera, check it out, and then bring it with us on the ski trip to film a little bit of a montage. Alright, let's go. Alright, skis acquired. We are now heading to the bunny slope just to start out. Alright, so I am back in the room after the trip, but I want to start off by talking about how good the footage from this little camera actually looks. To be able to bring around such a small device and capture amazing looking footage like you've seen is just truly incredible, and it's really a super versatile little piece of kit. And I really love the design of this little camera, and one of my favorite features of it is actually having a removable battery, as when I was in a cold environment just like skiing, it really helped having multiple batteries with me because those things died quickly. Now, operating this little guy is a breeze. It uses two buttons to interact with the menu, and you can be on and recording in just seconds. And when you are recording, you never have to worry about where you're pointing the camera, as it captures everything around you, making it great for capturing any moment while you're in the moment and letting the camera just do all the work. Alright, think I'm getting the hang of this whole skiing thing. Almost had one fall, but other than that, doing pretty good. You can see CJ in front of me, he's doing pretty good. Try not to fall off this edge. Alright, grabbed a little lunch. We will continue the skiing in a few minutes, but first I gotta refuel. Don't laugh at me.
I am 100% laughing.
I can't see.
Ow, ow.
Alright, finishing up lunch. I think we're gonna head back and ski a little bit more now. Let's go. Now, the app is where this product truly shines. It allows you to manipulate, process, and integrate the 360 video into your projects in any way possible. Now, it's super simple to import footage from your camera into your phone. You simply plug in the included cable, tap a few buttons in the app, and the videos automatically import and are ready for you to edit. Now, the app is really cool. It'll automatically remove the selfie stick from any of your shots and automatically apply a stabilization algorithm to all the shots, so everything comes out buttery smooth and you can't see a selfie stick, so it looks like a camera is just floating out in front of you. Now, the app has a ton of different editing features for your final 360 video. You can change the aspect ratio from anything from a vertical cell phone video to a horizontal cinematic aspect ratio. You can also change the framing of any shot and add dynamic viewpoints, so you can essentially have the camera move from point A to point B to point C back and forth at different points within the video, and it basically acts as a way to aim the camera angle at whatever you want. You can also smart track different objects, so if let's say there's a person in frame that you want to keep an eye on, you can then add a smart track point to them, and then the camera framing will follow them throughout the shot. You can also speed up the video footage into this really cool hyperlapse style effect that was really only possible with a camera on a gimbal in the past. And you can even do other cool creative shots like a tiny planet mode and zooming in and out. The list just goes on and on of all the features that you can do, and it's really amazing that you can do all of this from an iPhone. All of this would have previously only been possible with hours of editing on a computer and high-level software, so to be able to do this right on a phone and then export it into a video and incorporate it however you want is truly incredible. Overall, this product is awesome, and at only $400, I think it is the perfect little action camera for anybody who wants to take vlogs or vacation videos, or really anything where you want to both live in the moment and capture the moment. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please hit that like button and also comment down below letting me know what you thought. Also, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content in the future, please be sure to hit that subscribe button, as I have a lot more content coming out very, very soon. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks, subscribe, and peace out.